क्या आपको मोशन के साथ ब्लीडिंग हो रही है? क्या आपको बैठने में तकलीफ हो रही है? क्या आपके एनल रीजन में स्वेलिंग या पेन है? अगर ये सारे सिम्टम्स आपको है तो आपको पाइल्स है। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम डॉक्टर दीपाली शेलार, consultant general surgeon working in MediPoint Hospital. I am a laparoscopic surgeon, a proctologist, and an endoscopist. In this video, we are going to cover a topic that affects a lot of people and might be a bit uncomfortable, but it's super important, and that is piles. Piles is a term used by common people. Hemorrhoid is a term used by clinician. मराठीमध्ये मूळव्याध म्हणतात आणि हिंदीमध्ये बवासीर. So we are going to cover the risk factors, the types of piles, the grading of pile, symptoms, the preventive measures, the surgical and the non-surgical treatment of piles. Piles या हेमोरॉइड में एनल रीजन में फूले हुए वेन्स आ जाते हैं और वो वेन्स प्रेशर की वजह से आते हैं. जब मोशन होता है, मोशन के लिए स्ट्रेन करने की वजह से ये फूले हुए वेन्स आ जाते हैं. इसको हम पाइल्स बोलते हैं. नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस पिक्चर. This is a picture of a rectum along with the anal canal. This is a rectum through which the motion stays here for some time, and after that it is passed out through this anal region. When a person strains at motion, the motion gets collected over this in the rectum. Straining will cause this hemorrhoid along with this anal cushion. This is an anal cushion. These are the internal piles. The internal piles are when it is inside the anal region. The external piles, they come out of the anal region. So they are called the external piles. Hemorrhoid or pile is a lifestyle disease. Now in today's world, because of our lifestyle, people are chronically getting constipated. Constipated in the sense passing hard motion, straining for motion, sitting in long hours on a toilet seat. All these factors are a causative factor for piles. Other risk factors are obesity, heavy lifting weight, drinking too much of caffeinated drinks like alcohol, tea, coffee. All these factors are a causative factor for piles. Now we will discuss about the treatment option. The treatment option depends on what grade you are in. In the first grade, generally there is only a perrectal bleeding. So with lifestyle modification, it helps a lot. We advise patient to drink plenty of water, high fiber diet, and be active the whole day. Grade 2 hemorrhoid also does not require treatment. Only in few scenario it requires injection sclerotherapy, which is given on OPD basis, a band ligation, which is also done on OPD basis, and in rare cases laser hemorrhoidoplasty is also required. Nowadays lot of options are available: open surgical method, stapler method, and laser surgery. Grade 4 piles require a definitive surgical management. Stapler hemorrhoidectomy is a gold standard for this, or along with the open surgical management, we add laser to it for excision and for shrinkage of piles. The various modalities for the treatment of hemorrhoid are सर्जिकल एंड नॉन सर्जिकल मैनेजमेंट. नॉन सर्जिकल में आता है इंजेक्शन स्क्लेरोथेरेपी. इसमें वो बवासीर में हम इंजेक्शन डालते हैं और वो इंजेक्शन श्रिंक करता है वो बवासीर को और वो फॉल ऑफ हो जाते हैं. द थर्ड ट्रीटमेंट ऑप्शन फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ पाइल is laser, and now the gold standard. It can be used for second degree piles, third and fourth too. Along with in third and fourth, it can be compiled with the surgical management. Stapler hemorrhoidectomy is generally used for 4th degree piles, in which all the pile mass, which are commonly at 3, 7 and 11 o'clock, are swollen. The whole pile mass is removed in stapler hemorrhoidectomy. पाइल्स और हिमोरॉयडल सर्जरी ये डे केयर सर्जरी होती है. इसमें आधा अनस्थीसिया रहता है जिसे हम स्पाइनल अनस्थीसिया बोलते हैं. एक दिन में पेशेंट घर चला जाता है और इसके साथ ही हम डाइट के बारे में और घर पे क्या प्रिकॉशन लेनी चाहिए ये सब हम पेशेंट को बताते हैं. पोस्ट ऑफ केयर इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट आफ्टर अ hemorrhoidal surgery. Eat a high fiber diet, avoid spicy food, don't get constipated, take regular laxative, sit in a tub containing lukewarm water for 15 minutes twice a day, use a local anesthetic jelly and take rest for 2 to 3 days. क्या पाइल्स दोबारा हो सकता है? हाँ, ये दोबारा हो सकता है. कैसे? अगर आप अपनी लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफाई ना करें, जैसे कि हेल्दी डाइट होना, हाई फाइबर डाइट होना, पानी पीना ज़रूरी है, मोशन के लिए स्ट्रेन नहीं करना है. ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होती है कि ये दोबारा ना हो पाए. और ये अभी की बात नहीं, ये हमें लाइफ लॉन्ग करना है, तभी पाइल्स दोबारा नहीं होगा. एंड लास्टली आई विश यू ऑल अ वेरी healthy life. So stay healthy, eat the right food and exercise regularly. Thank you.